morning. It is day 4. It's just a beautiful day, isn't it? It's just a beautiful day. Nah, I can wear it. I feel safe with the backpack. Like when I don't have the backpack on, I feel naked. Like I feel like if I don't know, I just feel safer. I look pretty dumb in this helmet. But at least I'm kind of safe, even though this is not a very safe helmet. It's like made out of like Christmas present wrapping. Looks dope. Yeah, I enlarged on it. Alright, now back to my song. Listen to the wind howl. Listen to this beat. Kind of a good song, right? Listen to this beat. Every day the sun rises. I don't know. I feel like it was going somewhere, but it's not. Maybe later. This right here is so good for shrimp. Bubblegum shrimp. Fried shrimp. Shrimp grits. Remember that movie, Forrest Gump?
Te voir grandir à mes côtés, non rien de mieux ne pouvait m'arriver. C'est encore un nouveau départ qui t'attend de l'autre bord de la rue. Puis si tu penses pas aimer ça, dis-toi bien que je sais.
Cactus ice cream. So they make it here? How do they make it? You should ask. Yeah, look at that. It's like sharing the coin. Fried, like
fried fish
ball, and then the seaweed, like fried pancake.
Yeah, fried.
Looks so good, dang girl.
Green is great.
That's so good. Holy crap. Taste that with that. Is it good? Not cooked?
It's a little cold inside.
Really? Probably because it was like frozen. But I'll still eat it. Maybe you can wait a little bit and it'll cook more. Oh yeah, it's like frozen inside. But it's still pretty good.
Almost, you know.
Yeah, maybe we'll poop our pants later. That seaweed pancake is so
good.
好吃吗？
好吃，很好吃。
Les idées grises qui flottent dans ma tête. Si le soleil pouvait percer les nuits. On t'a déjà dit que t'étais belle, mais ça c'est sûr, moi je t'apprends rien. Tous ces hommes qui s'essayent, qui arrivent pas à leur fin, je te regarde mais je comprends rien. Je sais pas pourquoi je t'évite, je suis conscient que tu te fais écœurer. Je suis dernier sur la liste, y'en a d'autres avant moi. Je te regarde puis je suis toute mêlée. Je pourrais au moins m'essayer, te dire quelque chose d'intelligent. T'approches, je sais plus quoi dire, je suis pas plus fin qu'avant. Je te regarde mais je sais pas comment. Va falloir que j'apprenne mes leçons pour enfin me donner une chance. Et là je vais t'approcher pour voir qu'est-ce que tu penses. Je te regarde, je pense que tu t'en balances.
Alright, and this is what we're gonna go with. We're gonna go with squid braised pork on rice. 50, so that's like almost $2. Squid with seaweed noodles, that's like $4. It's like almost $10 for the sea urchin fried eggs, but I'm kind of excited for that one. Yeah, and I think it should be good, right?
Je te l'ai dit, ça fait pas longtemps. À cette heure, je voudrais savoir qu'est-ce que tu penses en dedans. Tu me regardes, je ne sais pas vraiment.
What a fun place. That was so good. The food was delicious. Just come right in here. There's like one place here, one place on the right, and then one down there. All very good. We didn't try the one in the middle because we got too full, but I kind of want to try it. I'm kind of full.
y a si longtemps déjà. J'ai oublié comment. Tant de mots, de moments pensés depuis longtemps. Devant ce mur muet, faut chercher autrement. Des photos, des regrets, pour que ça nous revienne. Il y a des jours et des nuits qui passent en paravent. Il y a des heures entêtées qui prennent l'éternité. Devant ce mur muet, faut chercher autrement. Des photos, des objets, pour que ça nous revienne. Na 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 na. Des chansons d'autrefois, le nom de ces enfants. Il faut avoir le temps pour penser librement. Dans la pénombre de la nuit, le gris de l'obscurité, il y a tant de gens qui crient. J'ai besoin d'un ami. Devant ce mur muet, faut chercher autrement. Des photos, des regrets, pour que ça nous revienne. Na 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 na. Des chansons d'autrefois, le nom de ces enfants. Il faut avoir le temps pour écrire proprement. Na 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 na.
Si tu as choisi de te taire, si tu as choisi de te rendre, si tu as tout ton monde à refaire et juste une vie pour apprendre, si tu t'es caché en solitaire, si t'as perdu tout ton temps à attendre, si ta tête est en toi prisonnière et juste une vie pour apprendre, lève-toi car demain n'est pas si loin. Ne cultive pas les regrets au fond de toi. Si tu portes un regard fier sur ce que tu accompliras, si ton corps est meurtri de se battre, si ta main n'est plus prête à se tendre, si tu penses arrêter de combattre et juste une vie pour apprendre, lève-toi car demain n'est pas si loin. Ne cultive pas les regrets au fond de toi. Si tu portes un regard fier sur ce que tu accompliras,
So, we're finally heading back. Sunset. No one down here. I think it's a good idea. I think it was a really good idea. It's kind of sad. I really want to stay for a little bit longer, but I think we should head back. But what a beautiful place. Deserted beach. And all these basalt rocks. Is it basalt or basalt? Basalt? Yeah, basalt. Basalt. It's kind of like basil. Some people say basil and some people say basil. So it's either basalt or basil. Basalt. 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 I don't know. I like that better. It's easier. No confusion. Shengyu, yeah. Shengyu.
I see there. Do you see there?
Yeah.
The house.
Yeah.
Like,
scary.
yeah.
So check out this house. So Irene's theory is that this little house right here, if you see, was for war, and I think it's true. It's kind of like
It's true.
it's like a fort to see if people are breaching the beach. It's like, they're breaching the beach! Attack! And maybe some warriors a long time ago will be like, yeah, let's climb up here. And then they,
So now we have guardians.
and then they, I don't know what they used to do back in the day, but they throw a snake in there, throw a Taiwanese python, Taiwanese. All right, I'm gonna put my camera away. It's dangerous. Gotta go back up there. Look at that. There's a little. Yeah, this was the way, right? Yeah. Hey, watch your step, okay? What do you think?
It's a cool one.
Yeah, that was a cool one. One of the best views
Yeah.
so far. And just in,
It's like a real adventure.
yeah, just in time to find some food. I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Just go to downtown.
Downtown Magong.
Yeah.
Downtown Magong.
Not going downtown.
Magong downtown.
Yeah, I think maybe they will have some food or some restaurant open. You know?
Yeah, there's also a lot of native plants here. Morsay. Ficus elastica. Elastica.
All the same?
Criminella. Caterpillar. That's one thing I need to get better at. Cool. You should eat it.
No. Oh, I got poison and die.
Look, another fort. Look at this, watch. Scariest thing ever. Like, all over the island of Penghu, we've been finding forts everywhere. So, one thing I'm going to Google when I get back is, like, the military history here. Because I feel like there were some crazy things that happened here.
Yeah.
You know?
Whoa.
Yeah.
I'm serious. Look at China.
China and Taiwanese war.
Yeah.
So they tried to occupy this land?
Yeah.
Dang.
Of course, if they win this island, they can go to Taiwan more easily. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Crazy. Crazy how such a peaceful place can just be like started out with like just war, you know? Ni hao, 新年快乐！今天我们去西华排骨面吃饭，加油！你点了什么？
我 点了肉燥干面、肉燥饭、排骨汤、红油炒水。
哎呦，很好，哎呦，很好吃吗？
很好吃。
很好。
卤肉饭。
牛肉
It's
饭
like breaded and fried pork, and then they put it in the soup. It's like short rib or something.
Alright, so we're eating again like a bunch of savages. Yes. So how this works is you get a basket and you pick one of each, like one potato thing, one pork or chicken, fried chicken. What's this? Squid. And then cheese stick.
Don't touch it.
Sorry, why? Potato,
French
french fries,
and egg tofu.
egg tofu. Yeah, so when I first started doing this, you know, this is like very typical where you find like a fried food stand like this. And what I first started doing was just grabbing like a lot of it, like if I wanted 10 pieces, I would just get 10 pieces of chicken. And then I didn't understand, but after like 2 or 3 times, they were like, you just pick one of each. And if you want 2 servings, you pick 2. So say you want 2 of that, you just pick 2 of that, and they'll give you 2 servings of it. And what they do is just fry it in the back for you. But yeah, here we go. Pretty good, pretty good. I think we did a good job. No, you have to sign out. 盐酥鸡好棒！好棒，好棒，好棒。Oh, so that's what it looks like. My battery's about to run out, but
This one's sweet potato.
Oh, let me just try one. Just steal one real quick here for you first. It's not that hot. Just oh, it's hot. Okay, so that bag cost us how much?
$170. $170.
170. Whoa, 170. So 170. That's like if you were to convert it. That's like $5.
Oh yeah. $5.
No, that's like $6.
No,
$6.
$5. Oh, 6. Yeah.
No.
Same, like almost
6. Almost 6. Yeah.
Almost.
Not bad.
Oh, bad.
All right, beer time and then go home.
Yeah.
Passing the night market we saw on the video a couple days ago. Pretty lit. Hey, do your dance, Irene. Do your dance. Here.
Everyone look at you. So I don't like the veggie.
You don't like that veggie? It's like basil.
I know,
It's good.
but I don't like when you like
The whole leaf.
like fresh.
Alright.